Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If it's your first time here, welcome. I am Shaun, but you can call me Shaunz. Have a look around, make sure you subscribe, turn your notifications on and all that good stuff. But before you do that, make sure that you watch this video to the end because I have this haul from Pretty Little Thing. Now, I have not done a haul like this in a very long time, and I usually like to do my hauls, of course, because I tend to find a lot of affordable things. And I know it's sometimes things that you guys might be interested in getting. So I shopped on Pretty Little Thing. I love Pretty Little Thing because I think they are so affordable and they have really lovely pieces. Now, the thing that you have to be careful about when you shop at Pretty Little Thing is that their sizes sometimes are not true to size. When I say that, I mean I bought a small dress the other day and it ran like an extra small, so I had to send it back and get a bigger size. I had to get a size 10 actually, and I'm usually a size 8. As for their trousers, you have to be very careful because their trousers are super long and you will trip over them. So make sure that if you don't mind, because I wear heels a lot, so I really don't mind because when I wear my heels, it's kind of okay, but I'm warning you right now that their trousers runs really long. So be careful about that. Apart from that, I have no other problem with Pretty Little Thing. I think that they're affordable and their pieces, as I said, are amazing. So I picked up some stuff and I want to share with you guys because maybe you want to go and shop too, right? So before I go on any further rambling, as I do sometimes, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the pieces. So let's go. I know that my background is a bit different right now because I'm in a different location and I know it might sound a bit echoey, but bear with me guys. I am trying to find a place where I can film my videos without moving all over the place. It's really hard because the lighting here is horrendous. I am trying to get my lights. I don't have any lights here, so I'm trying to get some new lighting and I'm trying to find a space where I can set up and not having to move about, if you get what I mean. The struggle is really all. The struggle is real. Anywho, the first piece I'm going to share with you guys is this long dress. I love long dresses because they're so versatile. You can wear them, you know, to any occasions, as well as you can just wear them on the beach or wear them for lunch or whatever. And this one is called, it's a black basic halter neck maxi dress, and this is in a size 8 and it's super long, which I love. So you can wear this with some heels or you can wear it with some flats. Of course, I'm going to have a little picture or a video of me trying these on, so don't worry. And yeah, so the back of it looks like this. Of course, it's a halter neck, so it ties at the neck and then it's exposed at the back. So this is a really lovely affordable dress, and I will leave the prices, of course, and if I can find the links, I will leave the links for you. But don't worry, I've got you covered. So I love this long dress. It's very stretchy and the material feels really nice. It's soft, and yeah, I love this dress. The second thing I want to share with you guys is this pair of trousers I bought. This is not usual for me. I don't usually buy these things with all these details, but I really liked it. It looked really interesting, and I've been feeling royal blue so much lately. Like, I'm so obsessed with cobalt blue. I am so obsessed. If I see anything that's cobalt blue, I'm gonna get it. Okay, so I've been obsessed, and I picked up these trousers, and they are kind of high-waisted. So this is the back. As you can see, it's got lace details at the back, and then the legs come tapered. So they're almost like a thick material kind of legging trousers, if that makes sense. And it's quite stretchy. This is a size 8 as well, and it's quite stretchy. I should have gone for a size 6 because I think it would have fitted more snug. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And at the front, it's just plain. Hoping you guys can see it properly. And what does it say on the tag? So this is called the Cobalt Back Lace Up Skinny Trousers. It's a skinny trousers and they're so comfortable. Again, the material is very soft and it feels like a sturdy material as well. It doesn't feel like it's just going to break on 2 or 3 washes. It really feels good and I can't wait to wear this. I don't know what I'm going to wear it with as yet. I might wear it with a shirt that you tie at the front and some heels. Let's see how it... Okay guys, so another piece I want to share with you is another pair of trousers, and I've been loving these wide leg trousers. I think they are so cute, and when you pair them with a nice little crop top or a nice little shirt that you tie at the front, they look so good. And I don't know what I'm going to wear this with as yet. I'm looking for a top where I can wear this with, but at the moment I'm not sure what I'm going to wear it with. But anyways, this is the gold striped suit trousers, and I think it came with a blazer as well, which I could not find, but I love this so much. It has these glitter stripes that go down, and then at the bottom it flares off and it fits so good. Again, it's long, but I love the length because when you put your heels on, it just sits right over your heels, and I really love these. They stretch, but they don't stretch an awful lot, which is fine because they fit like a dream. And I wouldn't say this is high-waisted. I don't think it's high-waisted. But again, I'll try it on for you guys. But I really love these. They are super hot, and I can't wait to wear these. So this is what they look like. I love these kind of trousers, you guys. And you know what they say about when you're slim and you wear, you know, vertical stripes, it makes you look a little bit slimmer. But that's okay, I don't mind. But I really love this. And I think I purchased this one on sale. I will leave the price on the screen for you guys so you can check it out. But I really love these trousers as well. So as you can tell, I've been really loving the wide leg. I don't know what you call these actually. They're called... This one is called the Basic Black Jersey Wide Leg Trousers. So I've been loving the wide legs. Oh my goodness, I love them so much because I love pieces that I can actually dress up. And if I don't feel like dressing them up, I can just put on a pair of trainers or some sandals or some, you know, flats or whatever, and I'm out the door. So these, again, they're very versatile, and I had to get a black because, you know, that black goes with everything, right? So this is what they look like. Again, they are long, which I love. The material is a very soft material and it's quite stretchy, but these are meant to be fitted loosely. So they're not like tight fitting, which I love. I don't really like when these trousers are too tight. They are just the right amount of, you know, what should I say? What's the word? They fit nicely. They're loose enough, and they're not tight. They're just loose enough, and they look really nice, and they sit nicely on the body. If that makes any form of sense, because I don't know where I was going with that whole sentence. But yeah. I love these, you guys, because they are blacks and I can wear them with anything. And again, these are super long, which I love. So yeah. These trousers as well. Another piece I want to share with you guys, it's a cord set, and it's this lovely pink set I also got from PRETTYLITTLETHING. I love this so much. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to wear it. I love pink, and this pink is so beautiful on my skin, you guys. So let's start off with the top. Now, this is called a pink rib knit tie front cord set. So this is what the top looks like. It's long sleeve, it's ribbed, but it's not a thick rib. And then at the front, it has a tie. And at the back, it's just plain. And the sleeve is long enough, and I like that. And now for the trousers, it's another, let me not butcher that for you. Where's the, sorry, I can't find it. But the trousers is another, it's like a palazzo. So it's the same going all the way down, and of course it's super long as well, and it's kind of high-waisted. It depends on how you want to wear it, but I kind of like when my trousers fit quite snug on my waist, and this just does that. And I love these. They're so light, and they're going to be perfect for those summer evenings. And you can pair these with just about, I'd say I'd pair these with some rose gold sandals, or black or white, whatever you want to wear it with. But I really, really love this cord set. And I think I got these on sale, you guys. I actually did. So this is what they look like. Love this. This is one of my favorite from the whole haul. Okay. Another piece I want to share is this little black dress. And remember when I said that you have to be careful about their sizing? I bought this dress in a size 8 and I had to send it back because it was too small, and I am usually a size 8. So I had to pick it up in a size 10 because it was so tight and super, super short. So I had to get it in a bigger size. And this is what it looks like. It's a pretty little black dress, and your wardrobe is never complete without a little black dress. And I haven't been I haven't been buying black a lot lately, and so I decided to pick up this little black dress, and it's called the high neck cap sleeve bodycon dress. As you can see here, the sleeves are kind of frilled, but not too much, as they're cap sleeves, so they stop here, and then the neck is kind of high. And I thought this was such a cute little dress, and I think I paid £5 for this dress. I want to go back and get all the colors in this if they have different colors. But I thought this was really, really cute. On a night out, yes darling, we'll be snatching wigs. Yes, so I love this little black dress. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so another piece I picked up is this black floral shirt, and it's a long sleeve shirt, and it's a button front as well. And I am thinking of wearing this with my black flared trousers and just tucking them in or tying them at the front, tying it at the front. I'm not sure how I'm going to wear it, but I really love this because I can also wear it, I can mix and match. I can wear it with this as well as the black trousers. Where are they? I can wear them with these as well. I love these shirts because you can button them to here and kind of wear a long necklace or a long chain that just hangs in the middle. And this material feels so good. I don't know what material this is, but it feels really good. It feels well made, and oh my goodness, this is really nice. So it's described as a black oversized printed shirt, and this is absolutely beautiful. I love the sleeves. They're quite long, and it has this nicely structured color. I love the prints. I love the pink, the green, the blue. I mean, some of my favorite colors are on this shirt, so I had to get it, and this is what it looks like. Beautiful. Very, very well made. So it's like short at the front, like a little bit short at the front, and then it just comes a little bit long at the back. So you can tuck it into anything as well as tie the front if you want to have a sexy look. So yes, I've been loving this. So beautiful, and the material feels really, really nice. And the last piece of garment is this beautiful yellow, white and yellow dress, and look at the sleeves. Absolutely beautiful. It's like a, what you call this material? It's a white floral twist front batwing sleeve bodycon dress. I don't know what this material is called actually. Let's have a look. I cannot find the tag, but let's carry on. Okay, so the specs on this dress. So the front is exposed like that, so if you're not into showing your little belly area, then you might not like this dress, but I don't mind, because when, you know, I'm in shape, I don't mind showing a little bit of skin, because all the skin it really shows is the belly part right here, and I think it's so, so sexy. And at the back, it has this long zipper here. It's not an exposed zipper, which is really nice, and this is like a mini dress as well. It's really, really nice, and at the front, it's kind of ruched. So this is a beautiful dress, and I cannot wait to wear this in the summer. I just love how the sleeves just flare off like that. and they are quite long as well. I think this is such a beautiful dress. I wouldn't say wear this to a wedding because you don't want to turn up at somebody's wedding with your belly out, do you? I'd say maybe a sunny summer afternoon, evening, lunch, whatever. I could wear this anywhere actually. But I've been loving this dress. It's so beautiful, and I think they have it in another color, so I might get that color as well because it's really, really nice, and the material is a nice material as well. Okay, so my haul would not be complete if I did not pick up some jewelry pieces. Now I picked up this one right here. It's a double layer necklace. So it's a piece where you put up here and then the other piece just hangs low. And this is in gold. And I also picked up the silver one as well. I'll try them on for you guys. So they are two pieces. So you get this piece, which is like a choker, and then this piece hangs loose around your neck. So I've got the gold as well as the silver. And I picked up two pairs of earrings. The first one I picked up is this one. I haven't taken it out of the plastic. And that's what happens. Okay, so, ooh, this is nice. So it's like this, and I don't know what this is actually, but it kind of looks like a coin. This middle bit right here kind of looks like a coin, and it's gold, of course, because I love gold. Actually, I love silver as well, so so these are what they look like. Of course, I'm going to try them on for you guys. I've been loving these, and they are super, super lightweight. And the last thing I picked up is another pair of earrings. And it's these tasseled earrings. I've been loving the tassel trend. And these are orange ones. I have not bought anything in orange for a very, very long time. So I decided to try out with a pair of earrings, and these have like a heart detail at the top, and then they have the tassel hanging down low. So these are super, super cute. I cannot wait to wear these, and I feel like I want to get these in other colors as well, but I've been loving the tassel trend so much. I think they are super cute, and they are so lightweight. I hate heavy earrings because they tend to pull on my ears. And then I don't want my ears to burst, so I tend to go for lighter earrings. So yeah, I've been loving these, and I'm going to get some more colors, of course. Okay guys, so I've come to the end of my haul. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section which was your favorite piece, and if you've also shopped at Pretty Little Things. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn your notifications on because you know YouTube is ripping sometimes, okay? So make sure you turn your notifications on, and I'm so glad to be doing this. I have not done a haul in so long, and I feel like I'm in my element. Yes. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye.